Hi all you wonderful people out there, welcome back to my channel Panache. I hope all you guys are doing really well and are safe and are taking care of yourselves. Please do so. So let's begin with this video. Today's video is going to be a Nykaa haul. Here I picked up some new products and I also have restocked a few products, the products which I really loved and have used before. So I bought them and some more new products. So the new products I'm going to try and test them in front of you today. So I can give you my offhand a review today itself of what I think about the products, these new products that I have picked up. And if you really like them and probably if you think they would suit you, you can probably go ahead and buy them. I'll mention all the links below in the description box. And I have picked up all these products during the Pink Friday sale that just went by Nykaa, and Nykaa keeps having all these sales on and off, and sometimes the sales are up to 50%, so you save a lot. So I suggest if you want to buy any of these products, please go ahead and put them in your cart, wait for the sale and then pick it up, so you save on some bucks, right? So that's it. So as I always say, please guys, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Check out my Insta page, follow me there. I have a lot of stuff going on there too. I post a lot of stuff, a lot of reviews, a lot of reels, a lot of pictures, a lot of makeup looks, so definitely you will be entertained. So check me out there. And also I just want to thank each and every one of you for the immense support that I have received on my channel. I'm so full of gratitude. Thank you so much guys, thank you so much. Please continue to support me. And that's it for now. Let's begin with the video. I have already washed my face, moisturized my face. I have no makeup on whatsoever, as you can see. I completely bare skin. So let's begin with this video. Okay, so first up I have this K Beauty. This is a new launch of theirs. It's called the K Beauty. K Beauty is a Katrina Kaif's brand. Okay, this is a covers pigmentation. It says it's a primer. It's a color correcting primer. It says it covers pigmentation. It's enriched with avocado, mango, and mango butter. So let's see how this is. This seems to be like an orange corrector. And if it's a corrector and primer, if it works both ways, nothing like it. So this is how it looks. Now this is, I've taken a little bit. It's supposed to be an orange corrector, but it looks very peach sort of. So I'll apply it. I'm looking down because my mirror is here. So I'm applying it wherever I have pigmentation and on my T-zone because it also works as a primer, right? So I'll apply it wherever I have pigmentation and on my pores everywhere, okay? So I'll just apply and see. A little runny. It feels more like a moisturizer than a primer. It's helping a bit in correcting the pigmentation, but I really can't see much of a difference. Taking a little bit more. Let's wait for it to settle for a while. Looks okay. I don't think it's really doing much. Little bit of color correcting and it feels like a moisturizer, so don't think it's really doing much. So this is it. Let's see. Now we will apply the foundation. For foundation, since I've not bought any foundation, I'm going with my most favorite foundation. You can look at the state of it. It's really used and abused. So this is the foundation that I'm going to be using. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1. I'm in the shade Warm Beige. So I'm going to apply this foundation. Let's see. Get your neck. Okay. Now I'm taking this brush. This is a pack brush. Okay. And just pushing in my foundation. I have done a step-by-step tutorial on how to do your base makeup, so you can check that out. I'll put a link. This is my holy grail foundation. I really love this foundation. It's really nice. It does such an amazing job of, you know, your base makeup. It really looks nice. Blend your foundation very well, guys. It's very important. The more you blend, the better your base is going to look. Okay, so that's it. I'm done with the foundation. Now, this is another new product that I have. This is the Pack Take Cover Concealer. I've got the shade Cream Buff. Now this is the one. This is the packaging, and this is how it comes. Okay, it has this wand sort of a thing. So let me see if I can highlight under my eyes. So I'm going to apply a little bit here, not too much. Let's not do too much. Here, tip of my nose, on my forehead a little bit, and on my chin. That's all. And I'm going to take this brush. This is another Pack brush. It's a beautiful brush, and let's blend. 1 second, I bought another new brush from Nykaa. Let me try that one. This is a concealer brush number 272. So let's try using this brush. This concealer is really nice. It's blending so well. It's actually blending like a dream. It's beautiful. And so is this brush. The brush is also doing a great job. The prices of all these products will be mentioned in the description box below. If you want, I'll also put them on the screen so you get an idea. So there you go. I've concealed my under eyes. Okay, it has done a wonderful job of concealing. Okay, now I shall set this using this Fit Me loose powder. This is my favorite loose powder. This is the second time I'm ordering this, second or third time, I don't really remember. Okay, so this is a repurchase. Okay, so so you need to set your concealer immediately as soon as you apply it, otherwise it will crease. So you look up and set it like this. It's very important to set your concealer so that there are no creases. Okay, now I'm taking a fluffy brush like this and setting my entire face because I have an oily face, so that's the reason why I set my entire face. Now if you have dry skin, there is no need for you to do this. You can skip this step, but this step also helps in keeping your face nice and, you know, matte looking and also non-transfer. So this really helps. So that's it. So now I have set my face, okay, using the loose powder. Now for bronzer, I have bought this new Physicians Formula butter bronzer. This is a bronzer that I've heard a lot about, so I thought let me just give it a try. Now I have bought it in the shade, it's called Deep Bronzer. It's a Muru Muru butter bronzer. Okay, so I'm using this brush. This is a tapered brush, okay, for bronzing my face. I'll use the bronzer to contour my face. Okay, it has, oh, it smells yummy. It actually smells like butter and also feels like butter. So do it. So I'm placing the contour. You can see this is a very beautiful shade. Beautiful shade. I think if you're darker than me, you can go for a little darker shade, because for me, I think it's just perfect, or maybe slightly I like a nice dark browns. I don't like my face looking pale, so but somehow it's quite nice. I like it. Using my same technique of pinching the brush and contouring my nose. See, it immediately gives your nose a nice slim effect. And also need to cover my double chin. Also guys, I plan to make another video of some products that I bought from Amazon, makeup products. Very affordable, all under 200. So if you're interested, I'll either put it up, it might either go before this video or maybe after that, whatever it is, I will link it up. So you will have an idea if it has gone before or it will be coming after. So wait for that video. I have a lot of recommendations in that video, a lot of makeup products for beginners especially, who just wanting to start off with makeup and wants to invest in some cheap and affordable and good makeup. So I have a lot of good recommendations there. All the products will be like below 200. So wait for that video. Okay, so that's it. I don't really need to do my forehead. So that's it, I'm done bronzing my face. Now another important, very product that I was really excited to try is this one. This is another K-Beauty product. It's a K-Beauty blush. It's a matte blush. The shade that I bought is soft nude. Okay, just look at the packaging. It's so luxurious. It looks awesome. Looks so beautiful. And this is the shade. Looks really nice. Very nice, beautiful, subtle shade. I'm using this brush and it looks pigmented. So let's go. Oh, it's pretty pigmented, but it's beautiful. Just look at the flush of color. It gives such a beautiful natural flush. Awesome. I just love it. There you can see. It's really nice. I think I went a little bit overboard with my blush, but it's okay because blush is one makeup product that wears off the first, so it's okay if you apply a little extra. It's going to wear off with time, so that's fine. I'm okay with it. Okay, now should we move on to eyes? Okay, let's do our eyebrows. So I've got this pencil. This is this Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil. I'm in the shade dark brown. So let's do my eyebrows. Come on. I like to just fill in the gaps. Nothing extra. I don't look like stark looking eyebrows. Now that's just me. You can do you there. That's it. There you go. It has a spoolie over here in the end, so you can just brush it out so it looks nice and even. The product is spread nicely. There you go. I think it looks good. Right? Okay. Let's move on. Now let us do our eyes. Let me do my eyes. For eyes, I've got two new products. One is the Swiss Beauty. It's called the Jelly Eyeshadow, long-lasting jelly eyeshadow. I'm really excited to try this. It looks very promising, so I hope it is. Okay, this is how it looks like. It comes like this. This is how it looks. Here, this is it. It's got a very jelly-like consistency. Okay, let's see how it wears on the eyes. Now since this is like a jelly sort of, I think it will go best if applied by a finger. So I'm going to take it on my finger and apply it all over my eyelid. Let's see how that looks. We're experimenting, guys. There, can you see that? Wow, the pigmentation is to die for. Awesome. It's so easy to apply. There you go. That's all. I didn't have to do much. Let's apply a little bit on the other eye. Can you see that? It's beautiful. I think I'll take a little bit to give it that precision on my brush, so I can give it a nice, so it looks nice and precise and not too stark. There. Can you see that? And this eyeshadow was so inexpensive. I think it was just for about less than 200 for sure. Really, really worth it. I think Swiss Beauty is one such brand that is so underrated, so underrated. Their products are really, really too good. That's all I'm going to do, and apply it on this lid also properly. There you go. Looks nice, I think, as it is. I'm going to leave it as it is. And next up, I have got this pencil, okay, this colored eye pencil from Rimmel. Another beautiful color, such a beautiful color. Can you see that? It's so nice and bright. So I'm thinking I'll do a reversed eyeliner, okay, with this, and let's see how it looks. Can you see that? It's quite nice. Nice color. So that's it. We'll do the other eye. So that's it. You can see I went all out with my eyes to a nice vibrant reverse wing liner that I have done using this pencil. It was super easy. Very nice, very beautiful color, nice and vibrant. I loved it. So this is it. Okay, next up I have this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeliner. I don't know how much I have spoken about this eyeliner. The more I use it, the more I fall in love with it, and it is something which I highly recommend. This is I think it just cost about 150. With discount I must have bought it for about 100 only. But it is a beautiful eyeliner which you must check out if you are a person who is just beginning to do your makeup, finding it difficult to draw a winged eyeliner. This is going to make it very easy for you. It's superb. It's that good. So highly recommended product. You can check it out. I think it is really underrated. I don't know why nobody talks about it, but you should really check this out if you really want a very good wing, easy, to apply it very easily. Please check this out. It's really nice. Okay, so I'm going to do a slight wing because I already have this, so I don't want to go too much, but I'll do a little bit. See, something like this, just like a graphic wing sort of. You can see how easy it was to apply. And to do the same thing here, or I'll just leave that and I'll do it at the bottom here. can see, that's it. I'm not doing anything more than that. There and at the bottom. So there you go. That's it. I'm not doing anything more than this. I think it looks quite nice. Something different. It's nice. So let's leave it to that. Next up, we will do our highlighter. Now for highlighter, I have my Holy Grail highlighter once again. This is the Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, Maybelline. This is too good. This is really awesome. I think this is the 4th or 5th highlighter because I think 2 of my highlighters broke, so I had to repurchase them. It's really nice, super highlighter. Very blinding, very beautiful. It gives you a nice, beautiful glow. So let's use this highlighter. Taking a little bit on my brush, okay? Applying on my high points of my face. So just check it out. It gives such a beautiful, healthy glow. Not too much, just nice. So that's it. Okay. Now for my mascara, I have got this L'Oreal Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara. This is another beautiful mascara of mine. This is the 3rd time I think I'm ordering this one also. This is again a repurchase, but I love it so much that I had to get it. So this is it. It actually gives you an effect of falsies. It's so beautiful. It lengthens, it volumizes, it's beautiful. You will see the difference. Just see the difference. It immediately opens up your eyes and it looks really nice. Applying a mascara really makes a lot of difference to your eyes. So that's it. You can see. And don't forget your lower lashes as well. It really looks nice if you do that. So that's it. See? So that's it. We are done with our mascara. Now let's move on to the lips. Last step. This is my most favorite lip liner. This is the Deborah Milano lip liner, the nude lip liner that I've spoken about in one of my videos. This is my Holy Grail, so I'm using the same one. That's it. Now filling it up with this lipstick. Now this is a lipstick, this is a K-Beauty lipstick again. This is a lipstick that I got free with my purchase. So let's see, it's in the shade Rumor. Okay, this is how it looks. It's a retractable lipstick, so it's nice. Nice shade, very nice. See, it's a beautiful nude shade. Looks really nice and classy. Love it. So that's it for my eye look. I also have picked up a few other things. This is the setting spray that I got from MAC. This is highly raved about setting spray, and I thought I should really definitely give this a try. So let's do that. The mist on the spray is too good. It's really so nice and fine. It's really nice, and it's got a very light scent, so it is not even that annoying scent as such. It's really nice. It smells really good and nice and fresh. So that's it for this look. Now talking about the products that I have got, if you want me to give you a review, I think this primer that I was talking about, the covers, the color correcting primer, I don't think this really did much, because I just felt as if it worked like a moisturizer. So I think you can just give it a miss. Did not really make much of difference to my face. I thought a normal primer also would do the job, or if I had to just apply a moisturizer and then do my makeup also, it would work very well. So that's it. This is my most favorite foundation. You must try it if you want. If you're somebody who wants a nice coverage and doesn't want to use a concealer, just use a foundation, I think this is something you should really check out. It's really, really nice. Then this concealer is also very good. I think definitely I will repurchase it because it really blended so well, covered my under eye circles, everything very well. It highlighted my face also very nicely. I think this is really worth it. You can think of looking at this if you want. This is really, really nice. Setting powder, this is my favorite any which ways. I've always been buying this, so this is a repurchase and I highly recommend this. Bronzer. Now bronzer was okay. I mean, it looks good on my face, as you can see, but I think it's a little too expensive. Although it smells, it's got that buttery smell, but after some time it gets a little annoying. If you're a person who's not bothered with the smell, fragrance on your skin and is okay with it, it's fine. And it's a little expensive. So other than this, you can go for other bronzers also, like I think the Wet n Wild bronzers are pretty nice. So you can probably look at those bronzers, but this you can give it a miss because it's a little too expensive for the product, I feel. Okay, and blush. Blush is my favorite. I really love this blush. This blush is too good, and especially the shade. It gives you such a nice, fresh looking. You can see it looks so nice and fresh. It doesn't look like it's made up too much. Just perfect amount of that. That flush of color. That's it. It's not too much. Just nice, really looks nice, and I think I'm very happy with this shade also that I picked up. This is Soft Nude, very nice. Highlighter again is my repurchase. I've purchased this again and again, so I really like this. It's beautiful. You can check it out. It will go with all Indian skin tones. I think it's really, really nice. This is in the shade Molten Gold. Okay, next up, this eye pencil I think was too good. It glided on very well on my eyes. It gave a nice pigmentation. You can see it was easy to do this line also, this graphic eye. You can try it probably. And if you try this look, please send me a picture. I'll be very happy to see that you've tried something like this. So this was a Ye again, really nice product. Next up, this one. This I give it 10 on 10. It's such a beautiful product. You must try it if you want a nice wing eyeliner, or any eyeliner for that matter, simple graphic eyeliner, anything you want to experiment. This is very easy to do that, so you must try this. Highly recommend. Mascara also one of my favorites. Only thing is, when you have to remove it, it gets a little tough, so you have to use a nice oil based makeup remover to remove your mascara, but it's so beautiful that it stays so long and it gives you a nice fluttery look to your lashes, so you need not put falsies. This does the job perfectly well. So this is also another highly recommended product. Now even the eyebrow pencil, this is the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. This is also beautiful, very cheap, very affordable, and it does the job very nicely. So another recommendation. This lipstick also that I got, I really liked it. I think it's a beautiful nude shade. If you're doing a graphic eye like this, or something too much going on your eyes and you want nice simple nude lips, so the attention is more on your eyes, you can do this, use this lipstick. It's really, really nice, long lasting, because I have used their lipsticks before. I know their lipsticks are really, really nice. I think K Beauty is a brand which is really underrated. People are not talking about it too much, but it is some of their products are really, really nice. Whatever I've tried so far, I'm really happy with it. And this for sure, highly recommended. This is a little expensive. There are other alternatives where you get cheaper makeup fixers. I will recommend them in my other videos. But if you're okay with buying this, because this is also very good, it's a primer cum fixer, so you can use it before your makeup and after as well. So if you're ready to invest in this, go ahead. It's really nice. It's really worth it. Okay, so that's it for all the things that I bought. I also got this. Now this is not a makeup product. This is a toner that I got from Pixi. Okay, this I have used in the past, so I know it really works well. doing your CTM, that is cleaning, toning and moisturizing, is very important in your skincare routine. So a toner is very important, and this really works well for me. So I bought this, and with this I got this eyeshadow palette free. So it was really worth it. Nice 4 glitter shades that it has, really nice for party makeup. So this is it. And last but not the least, I got this cleansing balm. It's called the Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. So this is a balm to remove off your makeup. I heard a lot of good reviews on this, so I thought probably I'll just give it a try. I will put up my review on my Insta page, so please do not forget to check that out. So that's it for this video. I hope you really liked this video. If you did, then you know what you got to do, right? Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please spread some love, guys. Okay, and this is my new hair. I don't know whether you like it or no, but I love it. It's something different that I tried. Okay, not my usual blonde hair that I have usual highlights. This is something different. I went for all like a proper red hair sort of, but I like it. I don't know what you think about it. Let me know. And also please try this makeup out, this makeup look, and let me know how you like it. And send me some pictures. I'll be very happy to see that. And if you have any other suggestions, please do let me know. I am always here to listen to you guys and create whatever you want me to create. So mention that in your comments and I will do that for you. So that's it for this video. And as I always say, stay safe, stay strong and stay happy. Love you all so much. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.